Welcome to Sovereign Living's Tip of the Week.
What if I told you there was a substance that is inexpensive, 100% natural, and can be used to fulfill a multitude of everyday household needs? This week's Sovereign Living Tip of the Week is all about the joys of coconut oil. More than just a healthy cooking oil, coconut oil has a variety of everyday uses around the house and is quite affordable. On the cooking front, coconut oil is a tasty alternative to vegetable oil or olive oil, which can be harmful when heated up and are often made with genetically engineered crops. 5 o'clock shadow feeling rough? Try coconut oil instead of shaving cream. It gives you a smooth shave and leaves your face feeling moisturized and fresh. Skin feeling a bit dry? Coconut oil is a perfect lotion substitute with no added chemicals whatsoever. Your baby has a diaper rash? No need to worry. Coconut oil will clear that irritation right up, and again, no chemicals. Tired of shelling out your hard-earned money on expensive hair conditioner? Coconut oil is a wonderful conditioning agent and is sure to provide you with soft, smooth, and healthy hair. So if you're looking for a sure way to save a buck and rid your house of toxic chemicals, get yourself a tub of organic coconut oil and let the good times roll. Do you have a use for coconut oil not mentioned in this week's Tip of the Week? Share it with us at facebook.com/sovereignlivingtv or email us at sovereignlivingtv@gmail.com. This week's Sovereign Living Tip of the Week is sponsored by Sovereign Living the Show, a reality-based program following the Blush family in their quest to become self-sufficient and lead a voluntary and natural life. Online at sovereignliving.tv.